How to fight heartburn. Heartburn, also known as acid reflux, is a sensation that starts in the lower part of the chest and can reach the stomach. In general, it occurs when gastric juices flow upwards towards the esophagus, either because it is not completely shut or there was some kind of pressure in the stomach that was enough to make the acids move up to the esophagus. The stomach is made to withstand pH acid. On the other hand, the esophagus does not have this ability, and that is why that annoying sensation happens, which is commonly known as reflux. In this article, we'll show you ways we can fight heartburn with natural remedies. What are the causes of heartburn? As we have mentioned, one of the causes of heartburn can be pressure in the stomach, whether it is because of very tight clothing, pregnancy, or obesity. However, among its causes you can also find drinking alcohol in excess or eating too much food, having an empty stomach for a long time, skipping breakfast or one of the main meals, eating very fatty, acidic, or spicy foods, taking certain medications. What are the symptoms? When a person suffers from reflux or heartburn, they can experience one or a few of the following symptoms: burning sensation in the stomach, nausea, vomiting, continuous stomach cramps, difficulty swallowing. Natural remedies to fight heartburn. One of the best ways to fight heartburn is with natural remedies. Many of these remedies are made as a prevention method to avoid this problem. Aloe vera. Aloe vera is known all over the world for its soothing properties and for repairing irritation or burning. It is also very effective for the treatment of heartburn. We recommend drinking half or a quarter of a glass of aloe vera juice 20 minutes before every meal. It's best to drink it moderately because it is known for having laxative properties. Baking soda. Baking soda is one of the best natural products to fight heartburn. It is one of the most famous antacids that, besides fighting those annoying burning sensations, it is also effective for regulating the pH in your body. It's best to drink a teaspoon of baking soda dissolved in a glass of water. It is not recommended for people with hypertension or fluid retention. Ginger. Ginger root is one of the thousands of recipes to fight heartburn. Its properties are also effective for relieving symptoms like nausea or inflammation. You can consume it in an infusion and include it in salads, shakes, or other recipes. Apple cider vinegar. When you drink small amounts of apple cider vinegar, you can also control the pH in your stomach to prevent or fight acidity. In this case, We recommend drinking 2 teaspoons of apple cider vinegar diluted in 1/4 cup of water, 30 minutes after eating. It is very important to dilute this product in water because, if you don't, the opposite will happen. Papaya. Papaya is considered one of the best natural remedies to prevent and fight heartburn. Its properties stimulate digestion and help prevent symptoms that cause that annoying burning sensation. We recommend drinking papaya juice a half hour after eating. Chamomile. Chamomile helps ease digestion and also reduces the risk of reflux and heartburn, because it helps neutralize the acidic pH in the stomach. We recommend making a chamomile infusion with a handful of chamomile flowers in a cup of boiling water for 3 minutes. Let's stand and eat after meals. Tips for fighting heartburn. Avoid exercising immediately after eating. Don't bend down frequently after eating. Avoid taking a nap after eating because this can cause pressure in your stomach and thus heartburn. Eat small portions of food a few times a day. Excess food can overwork the stomach. Avoid wearing very tight clothing when eating. Avoid or treat obesity because it is a problem that causes more abdominal pressure, which makes the food move towards the esophagus. Avoid smoking cigarettes. Sleep with the upper part of your body slightly raised. Chew food properly and eat slowly. Avoid drinking during meals.